Alright guys, we're going to start off at the Beach Hammock Trail. It's a little wild here, you know, but I am at the Hugh Birch State Park, guys. The Hugh Birch State Park. It's a pretty big one, and I'm gonna do some wild walking today. So this was one of the first ones on my list. It's a wet one, as you can see. There's water on each side. You never know what you might run into. You know, could be a gator back here. The wild man's ready for it. As the old song go, going on a lion hunt, I'm not afraid. All right, the trail is a little spooky back here. All right, this definitely, you know what, I got to get on the topic again. Now come on guys, be honest, this definitely looks like where Bigfoot would hang out at, right? You got the water, you got open areas. It looks spooky back here. I'm tired of the myths. If he's here, if he's real, he's freaking here today. Because this looks like his habitat. His little Chewbacca kids and his wife and all that. I definitely got to watch out. I don't know, I'm gonna go this way first, I guess. They don't have the signs, and this looks like definitely a place I will get lost at, because this is huge, folks. This one is huge. It really is. And I see a spider web coming across. So now I got to do the duckaroo. These things just make webs everywhere. They do. I'm going to show you guys this map. This place is huge. I got a long ways to go, and I'm at the beginning. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? Yeah. Let's go, shall we? What in the world is that? I don't want to get too close to that. It might be something alive in there, but it looks like some type of old beehive, new beehive. Don't want it on me, so let me move on. All right, guys, let's do it. I can tell you that it feels really, really cool back up in here. And where I'm at now, it looks like I'm not too far. As always, these things are always by oceans and off the highways, because I can kind of see moving traffic right now as I'm walking this way. So if I come to a spot that's dead end, I'll turn around and go back the long way. I just don't want to really miss anything today, because the map does show a circle when I look at it. But I'm still going to go this way, because I think it goes in a circle going around that way. And I see a bench right here. This is definitely woods. This is definitely something that me and my little buddies when we were young would build a clubhouse at. I'll probably have a couple animals tied up as pets. Yeah. All right, this is a little bench to chill at. Okay. This is a trail. B&H, shout out to you. Hope you're still in love. All right, guys. Lots of leaves. I don't know. Looks like I might run into something out here. Let me get my Rambo knife ready. This is pretty secluded. I might be the only one walking these trails. There's a lot of people in the park when I came in, but I haven't seen anyone near the trails. People don't like the woods anymore. What's wrong with them? Might be a time we all have to live in the woods, the way this country running. Get familiar with it, guys. Principal food source for salmon. I haven't got bit by a mosquito, but I actually seen a few of them frizzing around here. It looks like this leaf was spinning in mid-air. Kind of, I thought we was in a spooky part of the forest, guys. Look at this. That is a strong spider to make a leaf spin like that. A strong web. Wow, that's amazing. Looks like magic, right? Because I know you guys can't see the web, but it looks like it's spinning in mid-air, right? Look at that. It's cool. I'll freak anybody out. I guess there's a web on it, guys. All right. This looks like the place you'll find some little tiny treasure trove that's hairy running around. Probably look at you and just and take off. It just takes off. Oh, there is somebody walking. There's life. This is going to take you right where I came back in at. Huh?
There's no access to the beach?
Dude, you're nowhere near the beach. I think you got to walk back that way towards the beach.
Really?
Yeah. Trust me, I just came from back there. That's
Okay.
like the side of the road. Nothing's over there but fence.
Thank you.
See, you're lost than I am. We got another lost one. And with the map, it looks like it's a long journey. So, yeah. This place is a little wild, folks. But you know me, I'm loving it already. Hey man, you can't get lost in your own world. You just took the wrong turn. Nature's wrong turn. There's nothing wrong with getting lost in the forest. It's the lunatics you got to be careful for. But I'm always prepared for that. You know. So you come to these places, folks, just come here to do what you're supposed to do. Just like yesterday. I'm just talking on my video yesterday. And, you know, I walk upon a couple having sex. So I had to edit yesterday's video. I didn't even see them, but the camera had them. I guess they had, you know, the feeling to come to the nature park and do it over the overview. And funny thing about it is, luckily I came first because there was a group of older ladies, old women, coming right behind me. You know, and imagine what, you know, hey, you never know. One of them could have had a heart attack, the other one, hey, one could have probably liked it, who knows, but you don't want that. You know, there's several places you can go. I guess you have the money for a hotel or, you know, even your car. I mean, who cares? But not in an open spot like this, guys. Come on. So yeah, I had to do some editing, you know. Like I said, I guess nature wasn't the only thing that was therapeutic yesterday. Apparently sex was too. So, but enough of that. We're gonna walk on to the next trail, guys. This little smaller one is over. We're gonna go down. And maybe our buddy down here will find the beach. Because they are a long way from home, buddy. And there they go, walking down the road. I am too. I did get bit by a couple of mosquitoes back there. I can feel it now. So, looks like me and Witch Hazel got a date tonight. And I always make sure that I wipe myself real down with those really good, because you never know, mosquitoes carry things nowadays, and or whatever, could have been a spider bite or whatnot. Witch Hazel helps. Okay, guys, I got to get back into the woods or something, because this heat, sun on me, not cool. Some things look like a trail, but then I don't know, so it doesn't say much. This looks like a path. Is that the beach this way, guys?
Yes, it is.
All right, thank you.
It's so funny. I love that.
Excuse me. No. All right, that's the beach that way. I don't know if I want to go to the beach yet. I want to walk the rounds a little more. This is a really winding turn, guys. Wow. They got canoes over here, huh? Kayaking. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. There he goes into the water. Cool. There used to be a train that ran through here. And you can actually see where it crossed over down there. Right in the middle if you look. This was in the 70s, I believe it started sometime. And it's a little history here. And it stopped running in the late 80s. Or maybe the middle 80s if I'm correct. But yeah, there used to be a train that ran through here for about a 3-mile ride in a circle. This place used to be really nice, folks. Really nice. From what I hear, they had all type of stuff at one time here, so it's a state park. They have bike rentals. You can actually rent the kayaks too. Let me see. I'm going to walk this way over here by the rentals and see. Oh, okay. Okay, I see this is one right here. When is that open? Just like the video. The cart is sitting in the same spot. Is that cart being used? I watched a video from 3 years ago, well 4 years ago, and this same golf cart is in the same exact spot. Wow, this actually leads into I'm not gonna go because I want to walk the grounds, but this leads into like a bar slash diary. Wow, that's pretty cool, guys. Hey, I paid $4 to get in here. What's this about? Here we are again. So, I'm gonna walk the other way. Yeah. All right, guys. Let's see. It says this place is supposed to be open. Let's find out, shall we? See if I can get a little info. This almost looks like somebody's house. I mean, do I just walk into this place or what? Oh well. I feel like I'm traveling Matt off the Fraggle Rock. Remember that? Remember, you guys remember that show in the 80s? That used to be one of my shows when I was younger. Traveling Matt. I got offended that my daughter didn't like Fraggle Rock. All right, guys. Oh, wow. This is more like a museum. Gotcha. Nice. It's actually someone's house, folks, at one time. Very nice. Very nice. No, someone has to be here. All this nice stuff. You guys see the ocean from here? Look at that. Beautiful, right? Woods somewhere. Native pictures. The upstairs is closed off. Looks like it's an office. I'm not gonna go up there. Tell you one thing, it feels amazing in here. AC. All right, guys. I'm not going to bother those people. We're going to start our journey. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Pretty in there.
Huh? Is there? I don't know. I've never been.
All right. Let's walk farther down, shall we? Oh, yeah. Here's stuff running all through these woods. This is huge. Yeah, so like I said, there used to be a train that you can get on and it would take you all the way through the park. I don't know what happened with it later on, you know, but I guess the state didn't keep up with it and they let it all go. So hopefully one day maybe return, you know, could return, you never know. This looks like it's a trail, but it looks like it's taped off. I'm not gonna go in that way. It looks like it's a lot of stuff and crap in the way down there. It's taped off for a reason. And this end is a restricted area. No, guys. I think I'm gonna go the other way that I seen. I'm just trying to walk the old ground, so it doesn't make a difference. This is for the camper areas, for camping. So, registered campers, guys. And that's locked, so I ain't gonna open that. So, let me mosey on down back this way. And I know which way to go. I have to go to the right and then I have to go to make a left. But hey, this is going to be a longer video because I'm going to show it all. So just sit back and enjoy the view, guys. Oh, it feels good out here. It's funny. I just seen the same guy and his kid going another way. I could have swore I seen him going towards the beach. I don't know how he ended up over there. He walked past it on to the left. They can give you the map, but the map is a little bit crazy because it's like the map is in the woods in the middle of all this stuff. And there's actually trails and other things that's not on the map that you don't see. So let's swing around, guys. Hello. All right, Luca, Tony, Ray, climbing on the trees is prohibited. Even you, little Joshua. Stay off the trees, buddies. Once again, Duke, Earl, Mo, James, no fishing over here or swimming. Remember that. Get on the kayak and just go on here and cruise around. We got an iguana posted up. And I know he's gonna run like hell as soon as I walk up. Look, he's already starting to take off. I'm telling you, those things don't play. That's why they're here. That's why it's hard to get rid of these guys. I'm telling you, they're smart animals. They do not want no parts of humans at all. You get too close, they're gone. They're not having it. They're out of here. Out of here. They have survived since the dinosaur times. And now you can see why. T-Rex was not catching up with those. He probably smashed his head and all the other dinosaurs into bricks trying to get through them things to get to those iguanas running through the rocks and all that. Yes, those things are survivors. And they eat pretty healthy. That's why they're around. For an animal. We're gonna cross over to the other side of the trail. So I am back in the game, folks. I am back in the game. Because I didn't know what this winding road was gonna take me, but I knew I had to go this way. All right, guys, let's not hate now. Come on. Mad at me because I found the trail. Who does that? All right. I'll tell you what I might do. This is particular something that I usually do. I'll probably lose where my vehicle is for a while. See, this is what always gets me, guys. I don't know if I should go this way or that way. This way or that way. You ever play that game? Let's try it. Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. Effie, holler, let 'em go. Any, mini, miny, mo. I want to go this way anyway. How about that? How about that? Don't make me start the duck, duck, goose game on you guys. Those are childhood games that I don't even think kids in this area even know about. Kids don't know about those old school games, kick the can and tag and hide go seek, and you know, nobody knows about that stuff anymore. Jacks with the ball and, you know, playing marbles. I was the marble king. I had a coffee can full of them. Crown Royal bags with marbles in them. You know how it goes, folks. Back in those days, you had anything to put them in ice cream buckets. If you were a marble champion, you had to figure out how you was gonna get your marbles to be with you. All those games are long gone, replaced with hell, I'm gonna say it, violence, you know, and video games and everything else. It's lovely back here. Oh, that breeze feels amazing. Oh, yeah. I believe I'm coming up to something. Aha! Eating grounds. Pretty cool, guys. All right. Big grill going on over here. Live oak. Pretty cool. All right. You know what? They have a restaurant. You know what, guys? I actually need to take an intermission. You guys hang out and enjoy the view from up there. I gotta take a leak. All right, guys. I'll give them an A for the clean facility. I like that. Okay, there was soap, the hand dryer worked, and it smelled pleasant. All right, let's walk this way to the right, folks. I see a park over here I want to film. In case you guys got kids, you can come here with some kids. Show y'all the park area look, and then we'll swing back around. Oh, wow, beautiful tree, guys. Look at that. Oh man, imagine being a kid again. I would probably be up and down all those limbs. No doubt. No doubt about it. How does our buddy Joe Biden say it? Make no doubt about it, folks. All right. Looks like the park is closed off for now. I don't know why. I mean, it could be various reasons why. It looks like they're doing some work over here still. Looks like they're probably putting fresh, what is that? Wood chips down. So, this place is huge. Jesus Christ, I don't even know if I should walk that far down. I see another trail going around. I wanted to go the other way, but here I am walking into another trail until I get farther and farther away. And that's what's going to happen. But you know what? I freaking like it. You guys want to get lost with me? How about that? I'm gonna make you get lost with me. Ah. The trail might take me to the gingerbread house. I don't know, folks. I think I'm walking upon Crazy Larry over here. And we go around. How's it going?
All right, how are you?
All right. Anything down that way?
Just beautiful, man.
I keep getting lost, but I'm liking it.
It's good.
All right. I'll let him kill me later. Little moist ground over here, though. So we get on a little bit of this, okay, gravel. Yeah. Yeah, I wore my combat shoes today. Anytime I go to places like this, I got to. There was no sandals today. And I'm glad I wouldn't. I wasn't going to wear them. You know what's so funny about things like this in Florida? You would never think this would be in the middle of city parts, and you know, this is by the beach, but you know, it's like across from the beach, as you've seen. But you know, riding past, you know, you don't see none of this. You don't see any of this. So now I know I'm going in circles on the trail. That's a good thing. Glad you guys didn't see that. I almost freaking tripped. No, you heard it. Wow. Now that looks spooky. That looks like some real swamp water in there. When you see it green like that, folks, don't even go over there by it. Because that definitely looks like some alligators is in that or something. I don't want no parts of that one. I don't even think Bigfoot want to go over there. It's like a mango. The mango fell off on these trees. I'm gonna leave it there. It smells good back here. But keep an eye out on Bigfoot. Because this definitely, folks, look like a place where he'll jump out on me at. Look at it. Yeah. Even Jason might be back here. What is it, Jason Jorge's? I think he's back here. This is like a place where he, you know, he should have had enough of water by now. He was drowned. You know, he likes to hang out by water too much. You would think Jason would learn how to swim by now. All right. Then it seemed like I just walked into some light and it got a little pleasant. It's a little weird. And dragonflies, and then it looks like I got some trouble up ahead, folks. I see water on the trail, but hey, I got my boots. Let's do it. It ain't much. I can walk around the edge. But as you can see, if it rains a lot, this is considered wetland. And you can look and see this is why everything looks the way it looks. By this being at the beach, I'm sure they have crabs here. And some of these, and beetles, and I actually see the holes where there's crabs. I haven't ran into one yet, but there's definitely crabs living in there. And this fills up. I haven't seen a snake slither across yet either. But you never know, folks. I'm just showing whatever comes in, gets in the way, is just in the way. I thought I seen something moving up ahead in the woods over there. Maybe it's just the sun moving the shadow. Oh, it's a branch. Thought I had something, guys. Thought lot of butterflies. Well, I see a huge boat moving. All right. Oh, okay. Look at that. Let's turn off over here. This is a little walk path for everyone. I mean, I can go farther down to that trail, but let you guys see a little water and some of the taste of this rich life these people got down here. Oh, look at this, folks. There's a water taxi. Amazing. Very nice. So this is along the trail of the park. Whoever has it like that, there's some property for sale. And I can imagine what they want for that lot of land over there, that empty lot. As you can see, look at the other houses. So that is amazing right there. Oh, the life of being rich, folks. I'm gonna walk back down this way for a bit. Hello. Very nice. Speedboats coming through. I bet you that air feels amazing when water splashes. Look at that. Oh, okay. This is where the water taxi comes and parks. So you guys can actually go down this road and to the right. There's a water taxi pickup. And it looks like it maybe goes up and down, you know, something like that. Wow. I should have made more time for all this. This might have to be a part 2 video, guys. Well, this is already part 2 of the first one, but part 3. There's a lot going on down this way. A lot going on. This is very nice, but you know what? I bet you it's just terrifying during a hurricane. Has to be. How you doing? Yeah, it has to be. They probably, I don't think anyone stays in their house down here during that time. This road is actually open to vehicles. I thought it was just bikes. No wonder why I said no parking along the side, but we got somebody down there that's not listening. They don't even want you fishing over here, guys. So judging by the map I was given, I am on the outer side now of the trails, which I didn't want to be, but when I see something nice and lovely, I want to, you know, get a nice look at it. Nothing wrong with that. Got manatees here, guys. Probably won't see one, but they're here. Idle speed. Oh, the water feels amazing here. Look at this. Look at this. And the water taxi has did its pickup, and it is going. It is going south. That got to be a pretty fun ride. I must say, that has to be very interesting. Great footage. I might have to take that, like I said, because we're getting real close up on things for people to see as well. And I'm sure it makes other stops besides right here. Probably stop somewhere at a cafe area or a bar area along the water. Anything that's along these water sides. And there actually are other little things I've seen. So, yeah, probably swings around to the beach area dock or something. One thing I can say here in Florida, folks, there's always something to do in every city. Every city, there's always somewhere to go or something to do. If you can get over the hurricane thing, it's not a bad place to be, you know. I'm from Wisconsin. We have tornadoes, but in my hometown, we never got tornadoes. They always hit in the open field. But I'll tell anybody, people always, oh, you live in Florida, a hurricane. I would be in a hurricane before I would be in a tornado. Have you seen a tornado? Look, there's nowhere to run or hide. I mean, the damn tornado's throwing cars, it's lifting houses completely out the ground. You know? The hurricane is not really, going through bricks here and impact windows. And, a lot of the things they show in the news, you notice they always show warehouses or houses that's not even built, like that. They're never going to show you environments like this or regular residential areas of normal houses because it doesn't rip through those. Worst thing you might get is a flood. Hey, keep a boat on hand. Tornado, no, I don't like those. We just recently had one, and it threw some cars. It was just recently on the news. So no, keep the tornadoes. At least we got far warning with a hurricane, plenty of weeks to leave. Tornado, there's no warning. Once it touches, it touches. Am I right or wrong? Once it touches, it touches. Then comes the warning to everybody. Oh, there's a tornado coming out this way. But there's actually no warning for a tornado. You never know when it's going to come. It just appears. Most people die in a hurricane is because they didn't listen. We are warned before it comes. It is seen almost a month before it even hit us out there in the ocean. So, I'd rather deal with warning than deal with something that just magically appears. But my hometown pretty much is protected by the lake. Lake Michigan. We live pretty much close to the water, so no tornado's gonna come through there. Usually hits open field, way out in the country areas where they always hit. I don't even think we have a history where tornadoes ever hit our hometown. If it did, it may have been one time in the 1900s sometime or 1800s, who knows, but no. Now, can I say we got some hell of a snowstorms we done had? Yeah, but you know what? Get all your groceries. If you got a fireplace, get the fireplace lit. Folks, it's nothing but coziness, especially if you got a loved one with you, whatever you're into, Times, plenty of times, me and my lady enjoyed it, Sometimes you get off work, they say, hey, you guys ain't got to work today, emergency snow. Okay, cool. Get the movies out, the popcorn, hey. The plows will be out by the next morning. you know. So it's not bad at all. And this took me in a circle to where I went to the facility bathroom at. Oh yeah, this place goes in a circle. I'm just walking along the road, guys. Got your water bubbler. Oh, it feels good. This air is amazing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I've been blabbing and walking it out, but hey, you know, my channel's a little different. I'm not gonna play all the music in between and, you know, and do this and do that. Let's have some dialogue. Let's talk. Hope you guys have a nice day today. It's beautiful. It should be warming up in all parts of the United States by now. Oh my God, guys. That is a beehive, and I'm not getting close over there. Look at that. Yes. They definitely want to sting someone. Let me hurry up and get off from over here. That definitely looks like trouble. You don't want to get chased by 1,000 bees into the water. Trust me, I know all about bees. We used to catch them when we were younger. All the time. There's another trail, guys. What do you think? Shall we go? Huh? Why not? Why not? Why not? There's another bench to rest on. This takes you on the other side of the road, actually. I know exactly where I am. Well, folks, I am going to end this. It's been fun. I am back around the other way. I'm sure I could have walked other trails, but you guys got an idea of what's going on. So, with that being said, I'm going to hang out a little bit and take my backpack off and enjoy my 2 sandwiches with lettuce, tomatoes, and mayonnaise and everything on it. Oh, big frozen water. Gotta have a little cookie on the side. And a little Debbie snack treat. Never changed since I was younger. And enjoy the rest of my time. So, as always, guys, nature is therapeutic. Enjoy your day. And I am out of here.